Hello boaters, welcome to Narrowboat Journeys. My name is Phil, and at the time of recording this, I've lived afloat aboard my narrowboat for nearly 34 years. I share my home with my two cats, Bushka and Midge, and we spend our days travelling around the Canal system and making videos. I'm on the North Oxford Canal. At Ansty, I'm just leaving the visitor moorings, and in this video I'm going nearly as far as Hawkesbury Junction. Not quite, we're stopping just before Bridge 4. All the visitor moorings in Ansty are on this side of Bridge 14. There are no moorings on the other side, although there are some long-term moorings there. So don't be confused, you need to stop on this side of the bridge. There are some supermarkets about 1.5 miles to the left of here. I've covered them in a previous video. These are the permanent moorings I spoke about. Just after the blue boat here, we've got a water point on the left. That's the only facilities you've got in Ansty. I'm going to stop here to get water, and then we'll carry on again afterwards. Right, that's the water done. That horrendous noise you can hear is the M69 motorway. We'll be going underneath that one in a minute. These are also private moorings, and just after that there's lots of no mooring signs. Don't stop here. There's a blind corner up ahead. Brace yourself, I'm going to use my horn. And again.
Come ride with me on a narrowboat. There's much that we can see. Join Phil and Bushka and Midge on a narrowboat journey. With windlass in hand, they travel the land to the lock of the watery hill. those corridors of green, kingfishers can be seen, and the swan and the fish as well. Drifting, 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 narrowboat journeys. Ooh, drifting, 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 narrowboat journeys. Ooh, drifting, 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 narrowboat journeys. Stay with me, I'll guide you all the way.
Now that horrible traffic noise is the M6 motorway, and that runs parallel to the canal for quite a long way. You can't really see it much, but you will hear it.
On the quiet waters, where I find my peace, cruising the canals, my worries seem to cease. But lately there's a storm brewing in the air. The trust is making moves. It just doesn't seem fair. Oh, canal and river trust, why you treating us so wrong? We're just living on these boats where our hearts belong. Your surcharges are breaking us, it's more than we can pay. We're fighting for our homes, we won't let you take them away. I've lived afloat for years, more than I can say. In this floating life, I found where my soul's at. But now they're raising fees, claiming it's justified. For liveaboard boaters, it's a harder ride. Oh, canal and river trust, why you treating us so wrong? We're just living on these boats where our hearts belong. Your surcharges are breaking us, it's more than we can pay. We're fighting for our homes, we won't let you take them away. Navigate these waters through sunshine and through rain, but the burden that you place on us is causing so much pain. We just want to float without these heavy chains, living on the canals without these unfair strains. We're a waterways from dawn until the dusk in the bright and foggy days. But the trust is making moves that push us to the edge. We'll stand up for our rights. We won't be pushed off this ledge. Oh, Canal and River Trust, why you treating us so wrong? We're just living on these boats where our hearts belong. Your surcharges are breaking us. It's more than we can pay. We're fighting for our homes. We won't let you take them away. So here's a song of protest from the boaters far and wide. We won't back down, we'll hold our ground. We'll turn the tide. We'll turn the tide. We'll turn the tide.
I hope you enjoy my videos. If you'd like to help me make more videos, there's lots of ways you could support me. There's Patreon, Buy Me a Coffee, PayPal donations, etc. Unfortunately, I make very little money from advertising on YouTube, so all the help is gratefully received. Anyway, no pressure if you can't, that's alright. Bridge 4 is just around the corner, but I'm going to stop here for a few days. So thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for the cats. I'll see you next time.
Oh, it's time to let the cats out. They've been shut in far too long. First one out is Bushka, closely followed by Midge. Come on boys, out you come. There's lots to see and do. Come on boys, out you come. You probably need to poo. Thank you for watching.